Oh, that's my Yaesu FT5 with a Comet SMA24 antenna. It's only 16 inches tall. Not bad, huh? Well, that's weird. They just dropped out of there like nothing. I was hearing them, huh? Oh, they were just there. Turn the cell phone on, record it, and wipes them out. What the heck? All I'm using is the Comet SMA 16 antenna on the FT5, so a little bit of white noise, but not too bad if you think about it.
Have ears to hear. Have ears to hear. If you're only watching me to get news and people come to the Lord, but I'm scripture. I can't do that. I can't do it. People do anything. And the fact of the matter is, the Lord has the desire.
Local AM radio station across town. Barely picking it up, can't make it out. I'm not sure where 1450 is around Vermont. Could be New York, could be out of state. Who the heck knows? Not familiar with it. Seeing what I can find. I just don't want to rotate this dial forever, but I really should have it hooked up to an outdoor antenna, not this cheap little VHF, UHF dual band antenna, but hey, it was working there. A lot of white noise on it, but there's occasional audio.
Hopefully, maybe the summer of 2025, if there's anything left of Israel. And I'm serious. You could see the end of the state of Israel in the next 7 months.
Miami.
This hour is your hour. The future does not belong to you cheating, you stealing from you. The future belongs to you because you're chosen by God. And He wants to anoint you for your breakthrough. He wants to place you in a place of celebration. For instruction, move out. You're the feel of that life. Might be exciting the first night, but I'm ready for the seventh night. You know you've been out.